In this video, we will look at New Relic On Host Integration with Nagios. As always, for the most updated and accurate information, please refer to the documentation. For On Host Integration, you need to install the infrastructure agent and then follow the instructions for your operating system. Please note that the integration name is NRI Nagios. Let's follow the integration instructions. We'll choose the right instructions. In this case, I'm using a CentOS machine. We copy the command and switch to the machine. We have a machine with infrastructure agent already installed. Let's paste and run the first command and then paste the second command to install the integration. Note that the integration file name in this case is NRI Nagios. Once we are done with the installation, we can switch back to the documentation and go back to the Nagios instructions. We need to go to the integrations directory, create or copy the Nagios config YAML file, and create the Nagios service check YAML file, and restart the infrastructure agent. Note that if you scroll down the page a bit, we have examples for those files. We change directory to the integrations directory, and for the sake of example, we already created these two files. Please make sure that the path to the command is accurate, as well as the parameters. The path in this file reflects my environment. I highly recommend testing the scripts to verify they're running properly. You can also check NRI Nagios manually. Note the parameters. In this case, I'll use the pretty, as well as the service check config that points to the service check config file. Since it seems to be running properly, we can now restart the New Relic infrastructure agent. We can switch back to the UI, go to infrastructure, third-party services, and look at the Nagios dashboard. You can also go to query your data and look at the Nagios service check sample event. I hope you find this video useful. Thank you very much for your time.